So let it be written. So let it be done.
Hey guys, this is Brady from MinifigCentral, and today I have a Lego minifigure from Series 2. Series 2. Let's do some feeling around before we unpack this dude. What is that? Giant headpiece. Oh, it's the Spartan. He's the only one. That's no Spartan, says he. No, this is the Pharaoh. Oh, there. Check it out. Yeah. That is no Spartan headpiece. Nuh-uh. No. That is a Pharaoh head piece thing. Whatever. There's his... Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Cobra staff. That's the sound a cobra makes, I think. Alright. Pants with little detail. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. There is his necklace with an amulet. Which is the same amulet as the vampire has. It's the same little dots with the circle. I'm panicking. Oh gosh, I just moved the lighting here. Hold on. He's got the same amulet. Jeez, it's a cult. I know it. Okay, well, there he is. That was a little awkward. Look. You think Lego would have done something about that? Whatever. You know, pharaohs are the only men that will willingly put on fake eyebrows. I don't understand. Why would you do that? Pharaoh? Fake eyebrows? Seriously? I understand that you... I shoot you with my snake laser. Yeah. Alright, I am acting very immature. I must get back on subject. You shall not pass! I love Lord of the Rings. I don't know. That could be used as Gandalf's scepter, I suppose. Scepter? Is that what it's called? I don't know. Whatever. You can tell me what it's called if you want. Alright, well, I'm done being immature. I'm sorry. There is the Lego Series 2 Pharaoh.